Hello everybody, Will Stroll here from Upendo Ventures, showing you how to report a referral inside of the Upendo Ventures networking software. First thing is just make sure you're logged in, and you can tell you're logged in, but when the login link is no longer there and you see a logout link with your face. Once logged in, click on the Grow button to go into the Growth dashboard. Once you're in the Growth dashboard, scroll down to the Activity Reporting and choose Referrals. When looking at referrals, you can see the referrals to you and from you on the left side. So that's your activity. On the right column, so you have 3 columns, 1, 2, and 3, left and right and center. On the right column is all the group activity. Whenever there's any group activity, you're only able to see the comments between yourself and the others. Unless you're a leader. In some cases, the leaders can see more information. When you've had a prior referral, you can review it and give it a comment. So if somebody's given you a referral, you can click on it, give it a rating and a comment. The comment will go to the other person. The rating is for the system to help it learn. In this case, we're going to report a referral. So I'm going to scroll down just a tad, and I'm going to report a referral to somebody. So I'm going to choose this person. And with these next options, if you're not familiar with referral types or lead warmths, there's helper text for all of these to help you know what to choose. In this case, I'm choosing an outside the group lead, and this is going to be a warm, this is going to be a warm introduction, and I'm going to fill out the rest of this right now. Once you've entered the contact details, if you find yourself in an industry where you need to keep the details hidden or private, choose the private option, and then those contact details will only be visible to you and the person you're referring to. So even in the database, if somebody has access to that, they wouldn't even be able to see it either. It would look like some machine code. Next, give them a next action. And so I'm going to send an email introduction and then give it a note. The note will be visible between the 2 people once they're logged in. And then click to report the referral. Once you do that, you will get a confirmation email, and the person you sent it to will also get a confirmation email. And then everything will update. That's all it takes to report a referral in the Upendo networking software. Have a great day.